about the foundation and go
Yeah.
from there?
Absolutely.
Hey everyone, Brian, Jeff, and Travis here from WorkshopAddict.com, and we built this Jeep for the Travis Mills Foundation. We thought you'd give you a little bit of information on where this Jeep is going to benefit. So Travis, tell us a little bit about maybe yourself and your foundation.
Well, in 2012, I was in Afghanistan on my third deployment. I hit a bomb. Unfortunately, lost both arms, both legs. I'm the fourth out of 5 total quadruple amputees. And through my recovery process at Walter Reed, my wife's name on my side and my daughter Chloe getting me through it, my wife and I wanted to give back. We thought that we could do something spectacular by doing care packages, and then we decided to do a family retreat up in Maine. We bring out 8 families per week. We're doing 16 weeks this year. We did 11 weeks last year, so 84 families last year. 128 families this year are going to benefit, I guess you should say, from our foundation. And the funds that are raised for this amazing Jeep that you built will go directly to the foundation to help these families get flights, pay for their food, their travel, their lodging, everything. And we're just so grateful to have partnerships like this one. You guys did a phenomenal job. Obviously, I'd love to bet on this. My wife would probably kill me if I did. And I'm afraid of her, in a healthy, respectful way. But what we do is, we give these families confidence, and they've all suffered some sort of physical injury. So it has to be something along the lines of paralyzation, amputation, spinal cord injury, things of that nature. And we show them how to do things adaptively, but with a barrier-free environment. So there's no limitations to anything that they can do, whether they're missing 2 arms, 2 legs, 1 arm, 1 leg. Different variations. We have them kayaking and horseback riding and canoeing, but it's not just them, it's their families. They're regaining their independence slowly but surely, not living life on the sidelines. So you guys and your efforts and your wonderful family who was here with you today that let you put the long hours in to create this magnificent piece of artwork that's going to do some amazing things is truly helping us push our mission forward. And I'm so grateful to say that as the president of the foundation, myself, my board members don't take a dime. We're never going to pay ourselves for the work that we do. So it's great to have partners like you guys that are just out there willing to do the work and do the right thing by giving back and helping us, prolong our mission and what we're trying to achieve. And that's just letting families regain independence, know they can do things adaptively, and be together as one unit, and just have the confidence in themselves and be able to be a functioning member in society. So you guys are a big part of that mission that we're pushing forward.
And it was fun for us. I mean, we do have weekends and nights away from our family, but it made it worth it.
It was something we enjoyed doing, and more so giving back to a benefit that really helps a lot of people.
Oh, absolutely. I bet this thing drives pretty fun. I mean, I can't drive it. It doesn't look like I can get in there and drive it right now yet, but I will.
But we're going to go through that mud hole out there. Yeah. By the end of the day, this thing's going to be dirty.
Absolutely. And it's supposed to be. That's the whole point. And, the cool thing about Jeeps is just like motorcycle riders, they have their own little wave that they do when you drive by them. Yep. But I am excited and just thrilled to be part of this event. I mean, you guys did a phenomenal job, not only doing the Jeep, but setting this all up, getting us a booth here. And I think there's supposed to be over 600 people that are going to walk by today and see what you're doing and help us. And just really grateful to be a part of all this.
Well, there's 250 Jeeps in Frankenmuth that are registered to come here, so I'm hoping we're getting well more over that, plus the Mud Run, Mud Fest, all this stuff, which is crazy you guys don't see going on in the background. So also, we've seen a lot of you with Mike Rowe, right, on TV.
Yeah.
You bought a lodge. Is that still working out?
We're working on it. Working on the TV show. A couple big fish in the water circling that might bite down on it and give us a run at it. And it might be this year, it might be next year.
What about your parents in this lodge? I mean, you pushed that up. Are they still even talking to you?
Well, yeah, they still work there for this year, and then they're thinking about retiring for good now. And they told me they do 1 year, they did 2, and we'll see if they fully retire or if they come back next year. My mom and dad, they like it, but they're getting to the point where they want to go ahead and probably retire and actually just do what they want to do. But I'm grateful to have them. The show, I think, would be as big or bigger success than Duck Dynasty because I'm awesome and humble in that order.
Well, you've gotten on here and you've been pretty serious since we started, filming.
Sorry about that. You told me to. You said if not, you would hurt me. I mean, I take it serious. I don't want to get beat up. But
I wanted to hear some more shark stories.
Yeah. No.
Yeah. You lost another arm from sharks?
The soul surfer beat me to the punch when she had her story about the shark. Then she went back surfing again because I had 4 sharks, one bite at the same time, simultaneous. But luckily, we were able to hopefully edit that out. That gentleman just walked through here. But hopefully we're able to, go ahead and, I don't know where I was going with that. Either way.
It doesn't matter.
Look,
we're just here having fun. That's what this is all about.
fun.
It's about giving back, having fun. We appreciate you coming to the State Theater tonight in Bay City. I mean, that's going to be another fun event for it. So thank you for everything that you've done, and for all these people behind you that want to get together and let you see them and do everything for the books and everything. We'll let you go. So,
hey, I'm sorry I was so serious.
Yeah. Yeah.
I apologize. I'll work on that. Check this out. Fist bump. Don't blow it up. I've already done that. Just jellyfish that one away. You know what I mean? So it's crazy. You guys are doing so good because I'm 31. I fell apart at 25. Yeah. A lot of people, they say that they're doing bad, but I got 2 feet in the grave already. So. Anyway,
It's really kind of hard to be serious about anything.
Yeah, no, you're not supposed to. It's supposed to be fun. But either way, I appreciate it. Thanks so much for all you've done.
Thanks, man.
And all you're doing. And come on, you sissy. I already got you once. Either way.
Thanks, man. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for supporting us. Thanks for supporting the Travis Mills Foundation. Make sure you give us a like and subscribe to this channel. Have a great day.